Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. As you can see, I'm not in my usual environment. This box is so big I had to move the filming location downstairs to the living room. This is a box that came from the hobby store where I usually get my premium stuff and some other stuff too. Greenlight green machines among others. Usually they bring the stuff I order on their website for me to the NAMAC event, but this time I had found something on their website, or I was able to buy something through them that was so nice and exclusive that I didn't want to wait, so I had them ship it to me. I wasn't home today when they brought this, so they threw it over my 2 meters high gate. So I kind of wanted to check if everything is okay in there, and also give a preview to you, my viewers, of what is coming in the next week or weeks, because I'll probably have to do a two-part video on these. Because as you can see, it's quite a big box, a lot of packaging, of course. It's important to protect the diecast that is in there. So you can already see some of the goodies. So this is my bill. I'm not going to show my name, of course, for safety reasons. So I will probably have to do two parts in filming these. As you can see here, these are the Micho exclusive Schüco American Classics ones from the United States I was able to obtain. And then I've got some green light, some normal green light, and some green machines. So we'll be showing these and opening these up possibly next week. This is for the last mini 60th anniversary video. Wow, that's nice. It's a totally different color than I expected it to be. It looks cool. Oh, and this one is a black one. The picture showed a silver one on the website. So it's cool, I got a different color than the one that Champion DJK got. That's nice, something different to show. First cut series, a raw one and a regular one. So, but the main reason why I wanted to get these to my home as fast as it was possible is because I was able to get these Schüco Micho exclusives from M&J Toys, a toy distributor, import and export diecast model cars. So there's 10 cars in this set. I have 7 of them, and I have also the 7 corresponding chase pieces of these. So I don't have the 991, the Golf and the T3 I don't have. The other ones, the Type 2 T1s I both have, the 930s I both have, the Defenders I both have, and the 918 I have. There's only one of the 918. So with their corresponding chase pieces, so that will be cool. I think, are these all the things? It seems like there's something underneath there too. I'm not sure. So there's 14 of these Schüco cars. Oh yeah, some more green machines. Yep. Oh yeah, this one too. And then this is the last one. Oh, it's a Dodge Charger. That's strange. I thought I got the Mustang. Funny. Well, it's in green. Cool. Okay. So yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yeah, that's right. So this will definitely be a separate video, and then I think these green machines and others might be 1 or 2 videos. We'll see. So if you're in Europe and you want to get a hold of these USA Schüco releases, there's one place you can find them, or at least one place you can find them. That's on this website, toms.nl. There you can find them. You can set the website in all kinds of different languages, so should be no problem in navigating through that website, which has a huge stock. So if you go on there and intend to also look at the other stuff they have, then make sure you have a couple of hours to spare, because yeah, there's a lot of stuff on there. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.